what's up? So hey guys, I'm doing a morning routine, but I'm late. So that was pretty cool if you ask me. I mean, that was like pretty cool. So you know, when you have those days where like nothing works out, that's today. So we're doing primer now. I'll record more of this for y'all. Professional, that's how it be sometimes, you know, professional. We're like, it's an update for y'all. My eyebrows just weren't being a fun time. They took me quite a while. Now I'm gonna be even more late. So that's just so funny because I've been late 7 days in a row. That's pretty bad. Like I can get in trouble for that. Foundation's on. So now I'm going with this. No, stop. That's bad for you. It's really bad for your stomach. Anyways, thanks. Let's just keep going and have a good time. So I'm doing my eyeshadow right now, and I just decided I wanted to show y'all how I'm doing it. So I'm just blending out as like a transition slash not really transition at all crease shade. I'm blending out Latte from Makeup Geek in combination with two other like orange-ish shadows. Pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you can just like see what I'm doing. That's pretty good. And then I'm going in with Cocoa Bear. And school starting soon, let me tell y'all, I'm a 9th grader, freshman. School is just, I hate my school so much. I'm gonna vlog at school a little bit for like fun. I wanna drop out and not do school, but that's not an option apparently. My mom said no. So I'm going in with Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna try using this brush today. I'm gonna go in with my contour kit, Anastasia, and go in with the two darkest shades. I've been using this brush, but I feel like it's too harsh, and I need a more natural look because then I don't know. But I'm not feeling energized enough, so I'm gonna eat some coffee. Dodo lashes in T309. Let's put those bad babies on. And with my code, I don't know what my code is. Sorry, but I have one. So I'll put that in the bio if you're interested. This is hashtag not sponsored, and it's so not sponsored that like I literally had to ask for an affiliate code, and I got one, so I'm really happy. But like, these lashes changed my life. They made my life just better, like so much better. Next, we want to get the stuff off of our lips. I'm gonna be doing that. Hey guys. There are people behind me, so it's really weird. I don't want to do that. So I'm with Maya.
The weather is awful.
Yeah, anyway. So I'm eating a bowl. It looks like this. It's like Chipotle, but not as good. This is Avery. She's having a great time.
Hey vlog, we are in yearbook. I'm Grace, by the way. My name's Grace.
And my name's Grace.
Hey guys.
So we're back.
So we're currently planning, and Tana's gonna do our makeup and our nails and my eyebrows.
Because this needs help.
Yeah.
Because I need some eyebrows. Well, I do have eyebrows, but I need them to be like thick.
Wow, we love a Grace. Actually, we love two Graces. That's it. Guys, we took Polaroids. They look so
Damn, I
cute.
did not take oh, wait, like.
Vlog life. Anyway, as I was saying before I got interrupted, I'm going to English and I'm not excited about it.